And here's just some of the electronic stuff they sell here. It's like panini grills, blender, multi-cooker, stand mixers. I don't know if they have carpet in some places. I know people have like throw rugs and rugs like that, but I've never seen a place carpeted yet. But I do see a lot of vacuum cleaners sold here. And then this is Smeg. There's a juicer down here. Now juicers like that I do not recommend because they move at very high speed, so the air aerates the juice, which makes the shelf life a lot shorter. I prefer the what is that thing called? The Omega juicer, which is it's a slow masticating juicer. It's an auger that just slowly pushes the stuff through. I think it just works better. The juice stability is better, and overall quality is better. But do what your budget can do. Sometimes those high-speed juicers are cheaper, but you can get a good Omega juicer for about $140 on Amazon.